Hi, I'm Cheryl Smith with X-Van Technology, and here's your tech tip for the week.
Thank you for joining us on our last part of our Office 2010 series. This week we're going to discuss PowerPoint. As you can see on my screen, I have some new and improved features of PowerPoint listed for you. You can co-author, merge, and compare presentations. You also have the ability to organize your slides into sections. There are more artistic textures and effects along with animations and transitions available. And adding a screenshot is definitely a plus when you're using PowerPoint 2010. I'm going to demonstrate some of them for you now. Let me go to View. When I go to View, I'm going to pick on that ribbon under the first group, Presentation Views, the slide sorter. Here you'll see I have section breaks in here. What I did is I added these section breaks so that if I was working on a big presentation and only wanted to do a section at a time, or I wanted to share this presentation with somebody else to work on, it'd be a lot easier to actually handle. Now, in order to, for demonstration purposes, let me show you how I got those section breaks. I'm going to pick between the second and third slide, put my cursor there and right mouse click and add a section. Here it breaks those two away from the other 5. I'm going to do it again between 5 and 6. Right mouse click, add a section. As you notice, it breaks these slides into sections and calls it Untitled Section. You can rename this by right mouse clicking and say Rename Section, and I'm going to call this Section 1. You can do the same with the other one. And the reason you might want to break them into sections and name them is for easier to work with later on. Now that is just one great new feature. If I go back to the Home tab, let me put that on regular normal view, and I'm going to go back to the Home tab. I'm going to go to a blank slide. I'm going to show you how to insert the screenshot. Now we've done this before with in our series on Word. You can also do it, I think we did it in Outlook also, you can do it here in PowerPoint. You go to the Insert, and you'll see second group of images, you have Screenshot. Click on that, and when you click on Screen Clipping, what it's going to do is it's going to take you to whatever is behind this PowerPoint presentation to take a picture of it. It allows you, as you can see, here it is my desktop, to move your mouse over the part that you would like to have as a screenshot. This is great for if you're in a website that you want a specific article or something of that sort. So as you can see, all I did is I dragged it and it came right into my PowerPoint presentation. Great new feature of Office 2010. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is that after you have a PowerPoint presentation created, you can save it as a video. A lot easier than it used to be before. Go to File, Save and Send, down here on the left-hand side. When you're here, the second column under File Types, you see Create a Video. Click that, and right here you go. On the right-hand side of that, it says Create Video. And it's really quite simple to make that PowerPoint presentation a video. The next thing I'd like to show you is the templates that are available. If you go to File, and you go to New, one of the ones that I like to use is underneath Presentations. You'll see it says Example Slide Effects with Instructions. Here, Office 2010 has embedded some really great templates for you to use. And I'm going to try to quickly demonstrate how this works for you. I'm going to select one. Right here it's called Animated 3D Cube with Changing Pictures. When I double click that, notice it's downloading the template. Once it has downloaded, here we go. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how to create this template. I hope you enjoyed this tech tip, and I'll see you next week.